Welcome to a special Valentine's Day episode with Duey C.K. and his witty sidekick, Peppy. Today, we're diving into the world of chocolate delights, perfect for celebrating love. First, we'll whip up some classic chocolate truffles. Start by melting 200 grams of high-quality dark chocolate with 100 milliliters of heavy cream in a double boiler. Once smooth, let it cool slightly before stirring in a splash of vanilla extract. Refrigerate the mixture until firm, then roll into small balls and coat with cocoa powder. Fun fact, truffles were named after their resemblance to the luxurious fungi of the same name, traditionally found in French forests. Next, let's make chocolate-dipped strawberries. Melt 150 grams of dark chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each strawberry into the chocolate, allowing excess to drip off before placing them on a parchment-lined tray to set. Historically, chocolate has been associated with love and romance since the Aztec era, when Emperor Montezuma considered it an aphrodisiac. Finally, for a twist, prepare a batch of white chocolate bark. Melt 200 grams of white chocolate, spread it thin on a parchment-lined tray, and sprinkle with dried raspberries and pistachios. Let it cool and break into pieces. This treat not only looks beautiful, but combines flavors that symbolize love and prosperity. With these recipes, Duey and Peppy ensure your Valentine's Day is both sweet and memorable. Enjoy these chocolate delights and spread the love.